ਨਵਾਂ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਸਰਗਰਮੀਆਂ प्रोग्राम में वासदेव परदेसी की तरफों आप जी का हार्दिक स्वागत है। पेश है जिला शहीद भगत सिंह नगर नाल संबंधित अज दीआं विशेष सरगर्मियां। गुरुद्वारा मंजी साहब बंगा रोड नवां शहर विखे संत बाबा भगत सिंह जी, निहंग सिंह अते संत बाबा टहल सिंह जी, निहंग सिंह जी की सालाना वरसी मिशल शहीदा तरना दल हरियां बेलों वालों बड़ी श्रद्धा अते उत्साह नाल मनाई। इस मौके पंथ प्रसिद्ध कथावाचक रागी अते ढाडी जथियां ने संगतां नूं निहाल किया। इस मौके सरीरक जांच का कैंप भी लगाया गया। इस मौके गुरु का लंगर अतुट वरताया। पत्रकार परदेसी की रिपोर्ट नवां शहर। ਸਰਕਾਰੀ ਹਾਈ ਸਕੂਲ ਅਲਾਚੌਰ ਵਿਖੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਵਿਭਾਗ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀਆਂ ਹਦਾਇਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਅਨੁਸਾਰ ਅਧਿਆਪਕ ਸੁਰਿੰਦਰਪਾਲ ਅਤੇ ਅਧਿਆਪਕਾ ਡਿੰਪੀ ਖੁਰਾਨਾ ਦੀ ਅਗਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਹੇਠ ਸਮਾਜਿਕ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਅੰਗਰੇਜ਼ੀ ਮੇਲੇ ਦਾ ਆਯੋਜਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ। ਇਸ ਮੇਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ 6ਵੀਂ ਤੋਂ 10ਵੀਂ ਕਲਾਸ ਤੱਕ ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਭਾਗ ਲਿਆ। ਦੇਸਰਾਜ ਬਾਲੀ ਦੀ ਰਿਪੋर्ट, ਨਵਾਂ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ।
जैसिका, अमानत, सिमरन, तमन्ना, प्रभजोत, गौरी, साहिल। Okay, dear students, today we will discuss the topic parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Define it. Nobody knows? No, ma'am. It's okay. Parts of speech is a traditional class of words distinguished according to the idea denoted and the function performed in a sentence. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now name the parts of speech.
May I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
There are 8 parts of the speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition, and interjection.
Very good. Sit down. Now, Tamanna, what do you mean by noun?
Noun is the name of person, place, thing, or animal. Example: Tamanna, chair, table, cylinder, etc.
Very good. Sit down. Now, Gauri, tell me the definition of pronoun.
Pronouns are the words of use on the place of noun like he, she, they, we, us, etc.
Excellent. Sit down. Third one is verb. Verb denotes action, means to do something like play, run, write, eat, etc. Jessica, make any sentence using any verb.
It write a letter, they eat ice cream.
Good. Sit down. Simranjeet, tell me the verbs used in these sentences.
Write and eat.
Good. Sit down. Who will tell me about adjective?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Adjective is a word that describes the traits, qualities, or number of nouns like beautiful, smooth, heavy, etc.
Very good. Sit down. Now, we will talk about preposition and conjunction. Bharti, what is preposition?
Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you all in the English and SST fair. We are the students of class 6 in Government High Smart School, Alachor, district SBS Nagar. Today we will do a play. Let's enjoy. Once there lived a crow who did not like his black feathers. He wanted to be like a peacock because the colorful feathers of the peacock looked very beautiful.
You look so dull and plain. You look so dull and plain. Look how beautiful the peacocks are. I wish I were a peacock. You look so dull and plain. Look how beautiful the peacocks are. I wish I were a peacock.
One day, perching on the tree, the crow saw many peacock feathers on the ground. The feathers looked very beautiful. Seeing those peacock feathers, he got an idea. He collected all the feathers and stuck them into his wings and tail. He also flew on his head to look like a peacock. He flew to a river to see his reflection.
Wow, now I look as beautiful as a peacock.
He said happily. He felt so proud that he started ignoring his friend. He told them,
And my beautiful feathers, I do not belong to anymore. So stay away from me. Now I am also as beautiful as a peacock.
he thought that now he should live among the peacocks. So he went to join the peacock, but peacock laughed at him. They did not accept him. The crow knew that
The student of class 9, class 1 will take a single band. Have a look. Good morning, sir. Class 1 will take a single band. Have a look. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat, please.
Thank you.
How can I help you?
Can I open a bank account, please?
Sure. Make yourself at home. I'll just get some details for you. It won't take a long.
Okay, right.
What kind of account do you want?
A deposit account.
Okay, have you got the application from her then? Have a look at this leaf pen. We have several types.
I decided on one called Classic.
Good, that's fine. Can I ask for your full name, please?
Yes, it's a Johnson Fox. That's the Johnson.
Right, what is your date of birth, please?
The 21st of January 1970.
Right, do you have another bank account in the UK, sir?
No, that this is first one.
And what is your address in the UK, sir?
10 Eastland House, South.
That's East London, isn't it?
Yes.
Near Conwy Wharf, right?
Yes, sir.
How long have you been at your current address?
Hey, just around 1 month actually.
Okay, can I ask for your previous address?
Sure, it's flat number 3, Canada House, Queen Street.
Is that all?
Yes.
That's Edinburgh, isn't it?
Yes, right.
Edinburgh, okay. Do you have date, time, telephone, mobile phone number, please?
Yes, I think the number at my office it is a 0247653. Would you like my phone number too?
Yes, please.
It's a 0204122.
Lovely. Right, what do you do for living in the UK, sir?
I am working at an English language school in center of Canada. It's my main job.
Okay, now we usually ask for piece of information for checking your identified for security reasons. If you phone us,
Sure.
what is your mother's first name because it's less likely to be known.
It's a Monica. Yes, it's a Monica. It's a Russian.
Thank you. How much would you like to open your account with?
I have only brought 1,000.
Okay, how often would you like to receive bank statements?
I want to take a statement, but about online bank service?
Just wait a moment. I'll check on the box on the screen.
Sure, I was also wondering about Mosfet service.
Sure, just wait a moment. I'll introduce you to Mortgage Marketing Manager.
Thank you. Can I leave now?
Yes, sure.
the man did not allow him to draw the water from it.
I have sold you the well. I bought this well, so this well water is mine. Let's go to the king. Let's go.
They started arguing. When they could not solve the problem, they decided to take the issue to the king. They went to the court of King Christian Dev Rai.
Stop. Who are you? I want justice. Okay, you can go.
Why are you looking sad? What is your problem?
Your Majesty, I am a poor farmer. It is difficult for me to get 2 meals every day. Please help me.
Alright, tell me your problem.
This man is my neighbor. I needed water for my fields. I bought the well from him to water my fields.
Did you not pay him the money?
I did, Your Majesty. With great difficulty, I had collected money to buy a well. I bought the well from him by giving him the money he had asked for.
Did the farmer give you the money for the well?
Yes, Your Majesty.
So what is argument about that?
Now he is asking me to pay the money for the water too. The water is mine. Why should I pay him more? I want justice, Your Majesty. I want justice.
What is it? Is true?
Yes, Your Majesty. I sold him the well, but not the water inside it.
Tenali, please solve this problem.
We understand that you have sold the well to the farmer but not the water.
Yes, sir.
But you sold the well and took money for it.
Yes, sir.
So the well belongs to you and the water to your neighbor.
Yes, sir.
So is he giving you the rent for keeping his water in your well?
No, sir.
Since you have kept your water in the well, you should pay the rent to the farmer or take out your water immediately. If you do not take out your water in the well, you must pay 2 gold coins as a rent to the farmer for keeping your water in this man's well. And the farmer will pay you 1 gold coin as a rent for drawing the water from it for his fields.
Sorry, Your Majesty, pardon me. I will not demand anything more.
ਇਹ ਸਨ ਜ਼ਿਲ੍ਹਾ ਸ਼ਹੀਦ ਭਗਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਗਰ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਬੰਧਿਤ ਅੱਜ ਦੀਆਂ ਵਿਸ਼ੇਸ਼ ਸਰਗਰਮੀਆਂ। ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਫੇਰ ਨਵੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਤਾਜ਼ੀਆਂ ਸਰਗਰਮੀਆਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ। ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਇਜਾਜ਼ਤ ਦਿਓ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ।